Machine identity for repositories is an approach where a specific system, service, or bot, not a human, receives its own digital identity. Simply put, every server, worker, or AI agent has its own separate machine account instead of using your personal access. In most startups, everything is tied to a developer's personal access token. This creates a massive security hole. If that token leaks, an attacker gets access to all repositories at once. You won't even know which system performed the action. Auditing becomes impossible, and quickly disabling just one compromised service is unrealistic. In the machine identity model, every system gets its own identity, its own key, its own scope, and separate audit logs. The best way is a GitHub app. It's a standalone application within GitHub with permissions restricted to specific repositories. The main advantage is that tokens live for only about an hour. This is the gold standard of security. Another option is a machine user, a separate bot account with its own SSH key and access only to specific repos. For SaaS architecture, this is critical. A single bot's key leak doesn't break the entire system. This model is used by Google, Netflix, and Stripe. It's a mandatory requirement for SOC 2 and ISO audits. Your CyberForest architecture is a perfect fit for this. Every module gets its own audit trail and access. The most powerful version uses OIDC and 10-minute tokens. This means permanent keys don't even exist. 90% of startups don't think about this until their first audit, but you're building a system with security in its very foundation.